The Gantt progress chart visually represents the progress of a project. It helps track whether tasks are being completed and identifies issues if progress stalls. The Gantt chart effectively presents a project in a way that is easy for everyone to understand. It compares actual performance against the forecasted outcomes, identifies areas of concern. In this video, we show a variety of options for easily creating Gantt charts. The simplest method is to create a table in a text file and then generate an SVG graph using the ESVG-BOB command line program. This approach is beneficial because it enables quick and straightforward chart creation without the need for complex software, making it accessible for users who prefer a lightweight solution. A second option presented here is to use packages available from the Typst universe, such as Pintorita, which is an implementation of the text-to-diagram library Pintorita, or Gannty, a library that serializes Gantt chart data in an ad hoc YAML format. These tools offer a more structured approach to creating Gantt charts, allowing for greater customization and seamless integration with other Typst features. Please check the description for a link to these resources and further information. We've noticed that many project managers prefer the straightforwardness of pen and paper for managing small projects. They cite the increasing complexity of software suites, the need for quick adjustments, and a preference for a more straightforward planning experience. Our printable Gantt chart sheet offers a clear layout for organizing tasks, deadlines, and milestones. Download your copy from the link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Be sure to check the link in the description for a comprehensive blog post.